A very good morning, dear students. 10th grader, I hope you all are good at home. In today's session, we are continuing with next part of Unit 4, that is related to the salesperson. In today's session, we are continuing with the topic that is role of salesperson on page number 67 as per your book. Before defining the role of salesperson, first we need to identify who is salesperson. Salesperson is a agent or a employee of any organization which is recruited for the purpose of generation of income, generation of sale. The ultimate purpose of salesperson is to identify the market, to find out the customer in the market, to take the order from customer and to sell product to the customer, and finally generate income for a organization. So in today's session we are continuing with the role of salesperson. Role of salesperson will play a very vital role for organization. It will play a very important role for organization till the time a company is not able to generate the sale. How it is possible to cover the expenses? So the first role of salesperson is revenue generator for a firm or company. A person who is recruited as a salesman or agent, the ultimate goal of person is to generate the income. Revenue means, meaning of revenue, it means generate the income for a company. A person will generate the order from market. A person will identify the customer, find out the potential customer. Afterward, the major role of salesperson is to generate the income for a firm. Till the time a firm will not generate the income, a firm will not be able to cover up all the expenses for a organization, and a firm could not be able to generate the profit. A firm will not be able to give the salaries to the person. A firm will not be able to survive for a longer time. So it is the ultimate goal of salesperson, that is revenue generator for a organization or firm. Second is consultant to the customer. When a salesman move to the organization, after moving to organization, he will try to identify the customer, who is potential customer. A salesman is not work like a salesperson only. It will work like also a consultant. If somebody will ask which product is good, what are the features, why will I take your company product, which one is best for me as per my choice, which one product price is good, which one is beneficial. So all such suggestions are provided by the salesperson to the customer. If a customer will ask these type of questions, so the answer will be instantly given by the salesperson. So salesperson will work like a consultant to a customer. He will consult with customer how to finalize the product, which product is good for a sales customer, or which one is beneficial for a customer. So it will work like a consultant. Third point, image builder. Salesperson is the person who is always the person that will speak positive about their organization. There is no chance of speaking negative. A person will spread the positivity in the market. Always he is also known as the image builder. He is creating the good image in the market. Till the time the employee of company will not speak about the positivity of company, will not speak about the positivity of product, how it is possible to generate the income in market. So a salesperson is working like a image builder of company. And next one, fourth one, that is relationship builder. A salesperson play a vital role to create the relationship between company and a customer, because company don't know who is the customer. It is create a relationship between company and customer with the help of salesperson. There will be middleman that is working between company and customer. Customer is directly interacting with salesperson. Company is directly interacting with salesperson. So a salesperson will try to create a good relationship between a company and a customer for making a longer term relationship to make the customer for a company as a loyal customer or repeated customer. So a company will find out the similar customer again and again for their product. A company will able to sell the product to similar customer again and again. So these are some roles that are played by a salesperson. Now along with roles, there are some responsibility of salesperson. Now the next topic is responsibility of salesperson. A salesperson has some moral responsibilities. So first responsibility that will be performed to call on the customer. The basic duty of salesperson is to basically call on the customer to identify the new customer. Till the time we are not able to identify the new customer, we are not able to identify the prospect, how it is possible to increase the profit or income of company. So it is the moral responsibility of salesperson to find out new customer in the market, to find out new potential in market, to find out new market where we can sell the new products. So it is the moral responsibility of person to call on the customer on the regular basis to increase the sale of company. Generally it happens with the help of by doing the telephonic calling, personal calling. So a person need to collect the information from market, a person need to collect the data, and on the basis of collected data, a person should do personal calling to call on the customer. Second point, to maintain and sales territory. To maintain and increase the sales territories. It is to extend. It means to increase. It is the moral responsibility of salesperson to extend the sales territory. So now the question arises, what is sales territory? Sales territory is the selling outlet till which area we are able to cover the product location. Like we are selling a specific product in market. Take the example of Liberty Shoe Limited. Liberty is having a outlet in sector 13. It is having outlet on Railway Road. It is having an outlet on sector 6. But Liberty find out that we can generate more sale if we will be able to open the outlet in Nilkant Dhaba, Karnal. Or we are able to identify the location like MACD. If we will open the outlet on MACD, then we can also increase the sale. So it is the responsibility of salesperson to identify the location where we can open our new outlets, where we can open our new stores, and which are already going on to maintain that such store. So to maintain and extend the sales territories. Next point, that is to increase the sale. The ultimate purpose of salesman is to increase the sale. Without increment, there is no increment in salary. There is no promotion. There is no growth prospect. So it is mandatory to generate the income for company, and income can be generated by increasing the sale. A person need to sell the number of product on regular basis day by day more. Till the time demand will not be more, income will not be more. Next point, to build company image. How to make the company image? A salesman can make the company image by promoting, by extending the goals and vision of company. Like company is promoting their product for the purpose of having good image in the market. So a salesperson duty is to identify the good feature of product and extend the similar information to the customer. Inform to the customer this company is having so much good features, due to that you can take this company product. So it is the moral responsibility of salesperson to do the promotion of product by telling the vision goals of company. So it is to building the company image. Next is to create product knowledge. A salesperson should have the specific knowledge how much information we are able to provide online, how much information we are able to provide offline. Sometimes it happens a customer asks some question in detail and salesman is not able to give the satisfactory reply for the same. So it is the moral responsibility of salesperson to identify the specific knowledge of product that is required, how many products are available, in which flavor, which type of product, what are the beneficial feature, in which year it came, what is the growth rate, how many number of customers are currently using the product, what is the income level of company, what is the quarterly report, what is the annual report, and what is the profit level of company. These all such information is required to sell the product in market. So to create product knowledge. Next is to guide the dealer. It is also the moral responsibility of salesperson to guide the wholesaler or retailer how to sell the product to the customer, how a customer will be more satisfied. A salesperson gives some ideas by telling some features, by telling some differentiate things that can be help to identify the product in a good way. So it is the moral responsibility of salesperson to guide the specific salesman, to guide the wholesaler, to guide the retailer to sell the product in market, how they can generate more sale. A salesperson can provide some offers, a salesperson can provide some schemes by which a dealer can sell the product very easily. Next is to provide feedback to the producer. If I am the producer of any product, till the time I will not be able to find out my progress in market, I am not able to find out my growth in market, how it is possible to change the quality of product. So it is the responsibility of salesman to provide the information or feedback to the producer. If any type of positive feedback is there, even he need to discuss. If any negative feedback is there, customer is not satisfied, quality is not good, we are not comparatively good, in that case the similar feedback to be provided to the producer to identify the good quality product. Next is to train new salesmen, because salesman job is not a long life. Salesmen are getting change on routine basis, a new person is joining, previous one is leaving the company after some time. So it is the moral responsibility of salesperson to conduct a training and training programs, to conduct some seminar, to conduct some workshops. So it is the responsibility of salesman to train the new salesman how to sell the product in market, how to deal with customer, how to behave with customer, how to interact with customer, and how to satisfy the customer. So this is the moral responsibility of salesman to train the salesman. And to collect payment tactfully. In a business, either then your intelligence, your tax will work. Don't try to be over smart in front of customer. Either he is dealer, either he is a general customer. So whenever you are collecting order, don't ask for payment in advance. First you need to collect the order from salesperson, then you can behave in a polite way, in a softer way, and you will ask for payment. So it is also a tactful job to collect the payment from customer. If you will aggressively ask the payment to the customer, you will start shouting for payment. In that case, the customer will not take your product next time definitely, and customer will switch to the other company product. So it is the responsibility to communicate in a good way to collect the payment from a customer. There should be some tactics that should be used while we are collecting the payment from a customer. To report and participate in the sales meeting. Generally company is conducting some seminar and reports to find out the final output of yearly or monthly basis or weekly basis. So it is the responsibility of salesperson to provide the report, what is the actual situation of product in market, where we are lacking, where we are getting good sale, where we are promoting more, where we are opening more sales territories, and participate in the sales meeting and define every point in a deeper way, and what are the chances to improve your company product, how we can grow in the market, what is the requirement of customer. And last one point, that is integrity of character. A salesperson should be honest for their job. Honest person will always will work. Honesty is the best policy. So a salesperson should be reliable for their doing job wonderfully. He should not be cheated person, and he should be a good integrated person. He should be involved in every activity of their sales profession. The person should not cheat with business, otherwise a business cannot survive for a longer time. So these are some responsibilities that are performed by a salesperson. Dear students, if you are facing any doubt, you are not clear about any topic, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. It is 999118890. Contact me on my WhatsApp number. Drop your queries. I'll revert back after some time. So thank you. Have a nice day for this session. We will meet in next session with next video. Thank you. Thank you so much.